Now we're going to make keychains. So those pieces include the shells, graphics, mylar, slotted flat back, and keychain component. That's a chain style. Okay, so we'll start with the pickup die facing us. We'll put the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. We will insert the graphic on top of the shell and make sure that it's upright and legible for keychains. And that means like not like that, obviously. So this would be upright and legible. And then the mylar goes on top of the graphic. We'll rotate the die table around, and then we'll insert the slotted flat back, sharp side up with this slot at the top. Can you see that? Slot at the top. Okay, pull the handle all the way down. Rotate the die table around. Pull the handle down a second time. Remove the button from the button machine, and we'll insert the tab into the slot. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.